In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search and find emails from any organizations or companies across the world using Hunter.io email finder. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into Hunter.io. And if you're here now, you can just proceed and tap on dashboard. So Hunter.io is one of the top email finder that helps you find emails from any organization across the world. Now, once you have set up your account, go ahead and tap on dashboard to discover your emails. Go ahead and just choose discover here to search for the email. Now here you can filter either by the company name, but from that you can also search by headquarter or locations, industry, size, company type, keyword. So these are the top free, and while the others are paid versions. For instance, I want to go ahead and search using headquarter or location. I'll tap on this and search for by headquarters location. For instance, if I want to search for companies that are headquartered in California, I'll just go ahead and enter California here and tap on California. Then you can see a variety of companies that are headquartered in California here. You can add another filter, maybe specific industry. For instance, I just want maybe tech. So I'll choose technology, information and media. That's the industry I want. I can even filter to the company size, maybe that has between 500 to 1000 employees. I'll choose this. And now here are companies that have such volume of employees. Now go ahead and choose any company that you wish. For instance, I'll go for Postman. Now, if you tap on Postman, you'll see further details here. So under this, I can go ahead and search by people, decision makers, or even general. I'm interested in decision makers at Postman company, so I'll choose decision makers. And you can see we have quite a number of decision makers in this company. And here you can see their names are here. And under each name, you can see their department. For instance, this is API manager. This one is head of product. This one is director of customer experience. Go ahead and choose the title that you wish. For instance, if you want to contact or to find an email for head of product analytics here, just go ahead and choose reveal. If you tap on reveal, it will go ahead and reveal to you the email here in full. So because of privacy, I'll not reveal the contact. If you want Chief Human Resource Officer, the name is this and the email address is here. To see the email, go ahead and just click on reveal, and here you'll see the full details of the email. You can now copy it, or you can now contact this decision maker directly. So you can use these filters to find any email for any person in this company. So that's how you can find emails from any company using Hunter.io. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.